compact construction equipment, Caterpillar continues to lead the way with innovation, durability, and performance. The 2026 Caterpillar B3 Series, the latest update in their lineup of compact loaders and mini excavators, brings a new level of precision and control to the job site. Whether you're a contractor, landscaper, or part of a utility crew, the B3 Series is designed to meet the needs of modern work environments where efficiency, operator, comfort, and power are non-negotiable. Let's dig into why the 2026 B3 Series stands out in the ever-competitive compact equipment segment. Asterisk, the 2026 B3 Series carries forward Caterpillar's reputation for tough and reliable machines, while also pushing the bar with enhanced technologies and a more intuitive user experience. One of the first things operators will notice is the redesigned operator station. Caterpillar has placed strong emphasis on operator comfort and productivity, and it shows in the updated cab layout. Visibility is improved on all sides thanks to thinner pillars and a larger glass area. The new seat design offers improved lumbar support and heating in select models, making it ideal for long days on the job. The controls are now even more user-friendly, with customizable joysticks that adapt to the operator's preferences. Every movement, from bucket control to track steering, is smoother, more precise, and easier on the operator's body. Asterisk, under the hood. The 2026 B3 Series is powered by the latest CAT engines that are Tier 4 final and EU Stage V compliant. These engines deliver better fuel efficiency without sacrificing power, and they're backed by Caterpillar's legendary reliability. Whether you're running a 2263 skid steer loader or a 309CR mini excavator, you'll feel the extra torque and power when digging, lifting, or pushing. The redesigned powertrain reduces noise, vibration, and emissions, making these machines better for the operator and the environment. And with maintenance intervals extended across the board, owners can expect lower total cost of ownership and more time working instead of wrenching. Another major highlight is the upgraded hydraulic system. Caterpillar has equipped the B3 Series with advanced load-sensing hydraulics, which adapt to the task at hand. Whether you're lifting a heavy pallet or grading fine dirt, the system delivers just the right amount of power and control. The smart hydraulics also play well with a wide range of CAT attachments. Thanks to the improved quick coupler system, swapping between buckets, grapples, hammers, or augers is now faster and safer. You can now change tools without leaving the cab in many models, boosting productivity significantly. Asterisk technology takes center stage in the 2026 B3 Series. Each model features CAT's new Smart Machine interface, which integrates GPS, diagnostics, performance data, and maintenance schedules into one seamless digital platform. From the touchscreen display in the cab, operators can access real job data, machine health monitoring, and even remote diagnostics. This is a game changer for fleet managers who need to keep tabs on multiple machines across various job sites. Plus, with over-the-air software updates, your B3 Series machine is always running the latest system without needing a trip to the dealer. Asterisk. One of the more exciting innovations is the Assist technology suite. Operators of all experience levels can benefit from features like Grade Assist, Bucket Assist, and Swing Assist. These smart tools reduce operator fatigue, improve precision, and speed up common tasks. For example, Grade Assist automatically maintains slope and depth when digging, allowing even less experienced operators to achieve results that once required a veteran hand. This not only boosts job site efficiency, but also reduces costly rework and material waste. Asterisk mobility and maneuverability have also been improved in the new series. Compact track loaders and skid steers now feature a refined suspension system that improves ride quality, especially over rough terrain. The updated undercarriage design enhances traction and reduces ground pressure, allowing the machines to work in wet or sensitive environments without causing surface damage. And with tighter turning radii and improved balance, the B3 Series excels in confined urban job sites or residential areas where space is limited. Asterisk. Caterpillar also focused heavily on safety and security for the 2026 lineup. All B3 Series machines are equipped with rear-view cameras, and some models offer optional 360-degree visibility systems. Audible alerts for object detection and backup movement are standard across the range. There's also a new operator ID system that requires a passcode or key fob to start the machine, reducing the risk of unauthorized use or theft. For rental fleets and job sites with multiple users, this feature ensures accountability and protection of expensive equipment. Asterisk serviceability is another area where the 2026 B3 Series shines. Daily checkpoints are now grouped together for quick inspection, and engine compartments are easier to access with lift-up panels. Fluid reservoirs are transparent and clearly marked, making it simple to check levels at a glance. CAT's product, Link Elite System, further enhances maintenance, with alerts sent directly to your phone or desktop when service is due or if a potential issue arises. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and extends the life of the equipment. Asterisk from a design perspective. The 2026 B3 series also benefits from a more rugged, modern appearance. The new black and yellow styling is both aggressive and refined, matching the powerful performance of the machines. Reinforced booms, heavier duty frames, and improved component protection mean these machines are built to endure years of hard use. Caterpillar understands that these machines are an investment, and every part of the B3 series reflects a commitment to long-term durability. Asterisk, operators and owners alike will appreciate Caterpillar's continued dedication to support and service. With one of the largest dealer networks in the world, parts and expert help are never far away. The machines also qualify for CAT's standard warranty and optional customer value agreements, which simplify ownership with scheduled maintenance, parts coverage, and more. Caterpillar knows that in the construction business, uptime is everything, and the 2026 B3 series is built with that in mind. Asterisk in conclusion. The 2026 Caterpillar B3 series represents a bold step forward in compact equipment. It blends power, technology, and comfort in a package that's ready for anything the job throws at it, whether you're breaking ground, finishing a site, or anything in between. These machines are more than tools, they're partners in productivity. With the B3 series, Caterpillar isn't just keeping up with the future of construction, they're building it. Asterisk,